Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. And if you've been here before, thank you very much for coming back. In today's video, I'll be unboxing the brand new Tower Vortx 12 liters air fryer oven. I previously had the 11 liters version and this one gives me an extra liter of capacity, which is always a bonus. This is just not an air fryer, it's a rotisserie, an oven, a dehydrator and many more, all packed into one sleek appliance. So let's dive right in and unbox it. The packaging is quite detailed on the front. There's a sleek image of the unit along with all its features. This is a 12-liter air fryer Vortex oven with 12 preset cooking functions and easy to use digital control, offering 5 cooking methods for a variety of healthy family meals. You can use it to air fry, roast, bake, dehydrate and even as a rotisserie, all while using 70% less energy than a conventional oven. It also cooks up to 30% faster while using 99% less oil, which is one of the biggest advantages of air frying. This unit features 12 preset cooking programs on a digital quick touch display, an adjustable temperature setting from 80 degrees to 200 degrees centigrade, a 90 minutes digital timer for convenience and scheduled cooking. This air fryer works using the powerful Vortex air blast technology, which draws in cold air and passes it through an heating element, and it's circulated using a 3D matrix fan system, which delivers hot air evenly and efficiently, cooking your food adequately. This air fryer is a 1800 watt appliance and it comes with various accessories. It comes with 3 airflow mesh wire racks to cook multiple food types at once, an oil drip tray to catch any excess oil during frying, a rotating basket ideal for making crispy chips and cooking similar foods evenly, a rotisserie fork and handle for larger portions of meat, fish or vegetables, and finally 8 mini skewers for grilling meat, fish and also some vegetables. This air fryer is a shelf model air fryer and I actually prefer this over a basket style air fryer because it's got shelves. I can cook multiple foods at the same time rather than cooking one single item in a basket, thereby being time and also energy conserving. Other things worth mentioning about this air fryer is that it measures 37.5 centimeters in height, diameter of 32.5 centimeter and the width of 35.5 centimeter. It has an easy to use LED display control panel, a large viewing window so you can actually monitor your food while cooking, a non-slip fit for stability, and also an overheat protection for added safety. It comes with a 3 years warranty. 1 year is standard and there's an additional 2 years. So if you register the product on the Tower website within 28 days of purchase, you would get this additional 2 years of warranty, making it 3 years in total. So do not forget to register to get the full coverage for your air fryer. These are some documents that came with the air fryer, a thank you note from Tower, as well as a safety and instruction manual that also includes some cooking instructions and recipes. I'll quickly flip through it so you can have a look. Here I'm just showing you the various cooking functions it has, the digital display, and also how to adjust the cooking temperature and time. In relation to the price, it's currently retailing on the Tower website for £89.99. That's the price down from the original price of £149.99. So that's a whopping £60 off. So it's definitely worth to grab it while the stock lasts and you get it at a good bargain. Thank you all so much for watching. If you're thinking of getting an air fryer, this is a good one for you to consider. It's a fantastic kitchen gadget. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so, and do not forget to like and share this video. It really helps out my channel. Thanks once again, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.